Hi, I'm Noreen. I'm a licensed mental health counselor, and welcome to my corner of the world where mental health meets real talk. I started this channel because I wanted to bridge my passion for mental health education while bringing accessibility and affordability to the masses. I want to help close the inequality gap in our ever changing world. In this channel, there's no copays, no wait lists, no insurance claims to file either. I want to make this a space where anybody is able to find mental health education and use that in times where they're not able to find treatment. And segueing this into the most important point of this channel is that there's a very big disclaimer here. This is not a replacement for therapy. This is a supplement. If you are in between sessions or you need something to do or you're unable to afford mental health education or like a therapy session, this can be a great place to start, but definitely not a replacement. If you or someone you know is suffering from a medical or mental health crisis or an emergency, please dial 911. Alternatively, you can also reach out to 988, which is the mental health crisis hotline. And if you're uncomfortable or not in the position where you can call, you can also text 988 and they will connect you to the resources that are most applicable to your circumstance and situation. I really wanted to create this space because when I was growing up, I did not have the framework for mental health. Just like, our parents, that wasn't really a thing. I am South Asian and I come from a background where mental health was just not a philosophy. And so, one of the things I wanted to do with the space was make it into a place that people who don't know much about mental health can explore and choose informed decisions that are best for their own health and mental well being. And with that being said, in my next video, I'll jump into a little bit more of my why and kind of why it really matters to me at this point in time and what I want to do with the whole platform. If you are here for the first time and you're really not sure what to do, the best thing you can do to support me right now is to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Maybe even tell a friend. I want to make this as tailored to the people that are watching as possible. So drop me a comment below. Let me know what kind of things that you'd like to see. And let's, enlighten your roots. Feed your mind, heal your soul, and let's get going. Thanks for being here. I'll see you at the next one.